Towel दो, रोना आ रहा है मुझे, थोड़ा टिश्यू दो, I might cry too, like can I take a break? I'm trying कि जो भी हो जाए कल मेरी लाश मिल जाए, याद रखना कि
As she feels that I have liquid love running through my veins. She thinks because I'm like
बंगाली
a
में
lover.
बोलिए, बंगाली में बोलिए, liquid blood
No,
running through my
for
veins.
me, loving is yeah, he is. Now he's in the mood for it. I can tell. The energies have changed. Seating has changed, no? So we've switched places.
I did 90 takes of it.
You did 90 takes of that?
I think 92 or something, and I just didn't want to stop because I just felt that it could come in one go.
For a Bengali.
जितना भी चाय में शक्कर डालोगे कम होएगा, क्या
Bengalis have a lot of
No,
sweet.
it depends. There's a Bangal Ghoti thing, yeah. So that's a different story. But you.
There are a lot of actors who did not have work but had a lot of talent. They're getting to work a lot, and I think that change is more important than any other change for me. Because I've been an actor who was not always working. Hollywood, not Hollywood, hit movie, not hit movie. I've been doing what I want to do, and I really tell everybody who I love that please only listen to what you want to listen to.
Get set to witness the action-packed drama with Sanak, and the star cast is joining me right away on Bollywood Bubble. Vidyut Jambal and Rukmani Moitro for Bengalis out there, and Rukmani Maitra for all the Hindi-speaking audience like me. Welcome to Bollywood Bubble, both of you.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
I want to know from both of you, what is that one thing which can really like make you go, like जो सनक जो title है उस हिसाब से, what is that one thing in general that can make you go सनक on things with you?
I think disrespectful people.
Yeah.
They really bother me. It doesn't matter who they are, what they do. If you're disrespecting somebody, it bothers me a lot.
Right, Rukmani, for you?
If you take सनक as an energy in a negative way, like when I like really होता है ना सनक जाती है गुस्से में, I do not like dishonesty. So that is one thing I cannot stand. Like I cannot tell a lie, and I do not like them also.
How do you
And
deal with it if you
I mean, experiment.
that's what
तुम
me
बहुत
to
खराब दिख रही
know.
हो. तुम बहुत खराब दिख रही हो. मैं झूठ बोल रहा
ऐसे
हूँ.
ना?
बताओ क्या करोगे?
No, but that's for me
कुछ
to
नहीं
know
समझी.
and you to never
She
find
said if
out.
somebody lies to me, मेरी सनक जाती है. मैंने झूठ बोला. तुमने कुछ नहीं किया. Lying.
she's trying to be nice?
Yes, I am. So that's for me to know, you to never find out कि क्या होती है जब रुक्मिणी माचा की सनक जाती है.
Moitra,
And
please say it right. You speak the language.
I speak the language. I say Maitra only. My father always said Maitra, so I say Maitra only. So, but yeah, and then
He's trying to just
yeah, he is. Now he's in the mood for it. I can tell. The energies have changed. Seating has changed, no? So we've switched places.
But was it like this on set as well while you were shooting?
No, not really.
Yeah, we were shooting a scene where my wife gets
Yeah.
picked up, so there was no mouth like this in the environment. But yes, we've had a lot of fun. She's amazing. It's good to have a female lead who's so much fun. She's got great energy to be on the set. We had a lot of fun, yes.
Vidyut, for you, because I know there's a lot of action in the film, but it looked seamless to us because of course you are well trained, but I know there's a lot of effort that goes behind it to make it look that seamless for us, right? So what was the most difficult or the most challenging part for you? Because हम लोग हमेशा बोलते हैं हमें कि विद्युत है, एक्शन है, चलो ठीक है, मतलब वो तुमको आता है, but no one really knows the kind of effort you make. You make to make sure that it looks that good on screen, you know. So can you recollect a day or maybe a phase or a scene which was difficult?
Lots of them, yeah. But I can start with the one which we watched in the trailer. There's a ball, and I roll on the ball, and I do it. I did 90 takes of it.
You did 90 takes of that?
I think 92 or something. And I just didn't want to stop because I just felt that it could come in one go. Because I'm rolling on a ball with my chest, and then I come on my back, and then I punch him. So when people will try it, they will know that it's not easy to roll on a ball on your stomach. So we kept trying it. We got it. Then I couldn't punch him right. When I punched him, it went from far away. So things like this, because you know that this scene is going to change a lot of things. You want to keep going on, and you're exhausted. But that's a lot of fun.
Wow, I can't believe 92 takes. That's a lot of
Even I didn't know
commitment,
that.
yeah.
That was
That's
amazing.
a lot of
I couldn't breathe after a while because we were in a congested room. But I just knew that we have to get it right. And we got it finally right. I think the first 10 takes only we had got it. But
But are you someone who's very critical of his work as well?
no, I'm not critical at all. I just believe that it can be done better. It can
That
be done
is
better.
somewhat
Everything.
critical also,
No,
right?
but you know, I think it's a thing with actors. No matter what, you know, in Bengali there is this saying कि भालोर कोनो शेष नहीं. I mean, there is no end to being good. You always want to add. आप जितना भी चाय में शक्कर डालो वो कमी होगा. So it's like one of those things.
क्या बोल रही है?
Bengali.
जितना भी चाय में शक्कर डालोगे कम
Is
होएगा
it?
क्या
Bengalis have a lot of
No,
sweet.
it depends. There's a Bangal Ghoti thing, yeah. So that's a different story. But you know,
Can you use that?
shakkar dalo. But yeah, so yeah, there's no end. So whenever you see yourself on screen, you always feel like, yeah, I could have always done this different. At least this is what I feel.
Yeah,
So that's
No, with me, it's just that, you prepared for something, and on the day, if you can't perform it, it's like preparing all your life for something, and on the day you have to really perform, you can't.
And for you, do you take pressure when you have to perform a scene, or are you someone?
I do. I'll tell you why also. It's because of the fact that I always believe that people, this is again a personal belief that somebody, one must always be prepared and should always have a certain amount of training. Vidyut, he's been training since he was 3 years of age. And I, as an actor, it just happened to happen to me. One of those things I was never seeking. I never wanted to be an actor. I literally got forced into it in a way, but that is destiny's plan. And then when it comes to, I just feel that because I do not have, say, a course which I haven't done, or I've never had the passion to act, you some people, they see heroines and heroes on screen, they want to be like them, but I've never had that,
Yeah, me neither.
Yeah, so I always feel that, yeah, every time, ever since 2017 my debut happened in Bengali cinema, I've always been like, I want to do one course, yeah, because मुझे लगता है कि I was telling him the other day, जिसकी grammar अच्छी होती है वो ऐसे भी अच्छा लिखेगा. So that is where I feel like if I had to write a script, I'd be very good at it because I'm a good writer.
Wow.
But,
So that's a hidden talent in her, which people don't
because
know.
I can sit in a library, write, read, all of those things. But I do feel a little underconfident. But I think at the same time, the vulnerability and the spontaneity, that's what my directors have told me is what works in my favor. I think again, if that wears off, I wouldn't be doing what I do.
Do you also see a change in the industry when it comes to the way content is being written now? Because for the longest time, let me be honest, I had this complaint कि यार content बहुत एक तरीके का हो रहा है, एक ही तरीके का content produce हो रहा है, film हो या series हो. Do you see a change in that in the last 2 years because of the way OTT has grown?
What I see a change in is that there are a lot of actors who did not have work but had a lot of talent. They're getting to work a lot.
Yes.
And I think that change is more important than any other change for me. Because I've been an actor who was not always working. So I feel very happy that the OTT has given up an opportunity to a lot of actors who genuinely had the talent. I think that's the best change. It's cool.
A lot of artists have really come into being. That is for
That's
sure.
true. Yeah.
That is also there, and again, like I said, because it's panned out to the global audience. So and the audience's attention span is it's been shortened.
Yeah.
It's been shortened to a 15-second reel. That it's that quick. So in those 15 seconds, you have to grab their attention, and you need to know how. So your content has to be that strong. It has to be that gritty. It has to be that intriguing. It has to be that capturing. And I think OTT has पहले क्या होता अच्छा उसने ये बना चल अपने में ये बनाते लेकिन अभी उसने ये बना. So
अब
we
हमको
have
उससे
to
better,
do better. So you
Yeah.
have to grab the eyeballs. It's a continuous loop that you're in. So and in a way, instead of pulling each other down, I think everyone's helping uplift everybody. So I think that
Yeah.
is a
Do you see
beautiful
that?
thing. I do see that.
Okay, lovely. Because I want that to happen a lot
Correct.
more
Of
in the
course, it should,
industry.
it should.
I remember with you the last time we spoke, and you had mentioned how in the initial phase it was difficult for you in the industry as well. It wasn't always easy. Do you see a change in the way people perceive you? Also because you've done Hollywood also. उससे भी थोड़ा सा perception में change आ जाता है. I don't know. Unfortunately, in our industry, it takes a Hollywood movie to change that perception. But has that happened for you?
I don't know what perception are we talking about because I don't care. I've never cared about it. I'm one of those people who genuinely don't want to listen to anybody. I want to listen to me. And I've been doing that Hollywood, not Hollywood, hit movie, not hit movie. I've been doing what I want to do. And I really tell everybody who I love that please only listen to what you want to listen to because everybody around you has an opinion.
True.
So I don't care.
But how do you gauge response of the public when it comes to your films or?
That's a good one. I really want to say this to all the YouTubers out there. There are a lot of reviewers in the Hindi film industry who have no idea about what they do. No idea. Like somebody that they become reviewers. I sincerely believe that the nation has great YouTubers. I've been watching all the reviews of Sanak. Some of them are really critical. Some of them have an idea of what it should be. I respect you guys. If you have a criticism or an idea about Sanak the movie after you watch it, Please post it. I really will judge you, and I will support your channel if I believe that you have the potential to be a critic.
Now, Sanak mein, one of the key factors is that whatever is happening, it is because it is combined by that thread called love. Because जो कर रहे हैं वो प्यार की वजह से कर रहे हैं. With you,
प्यार की वजह से.
recently you made it official with Nandita, and I mean everyone has been curious. It came as a surprise to many of us. Everyone has been curious. How did it all happen? What is happening? What is the status? How did love happen? Like बहुत सारे questions है लोगों के दिमाग में. How do you want to respond to it?
It's amazing what's been happening with me in my life, in every aspect of my life, and I do not deny anything that is coming towards me or happening in my life. I accepted the fact that I wanted to just commit to somebody, and I'm quite happy about it. It feels nice. It's a different aspect in your life, and I'm enjoying it.
What about her? If I may only ask.
Yeah, please.
What quality?
I love to talk about her, by the way.
No, a lot of people might be a little reserved.
I'm not one of them.
But I want to know what is that.
I'm not the guy who was going around saying, "Oh, this one is my friend, and I'm a friend." I go
Just
out and
friends?
say, "Yeah, not at all. I should be proud of everything I do, isn't it?"
True.
We all should be. What I like about her is that she's unique, and I look for uniqueness in people. What's unique is a very personal thing, but unique.
Does she also help you sometimes to, like, when you are working on a script? Do you take her suggestions?
No,
maybe?
not yet.
Not yet out. But is she critical of your performances?
Not yet.
चलो मतलब वो भी आएगा.
Not yet.
But you have done a lot of films with
Yes.
Dave,
Yes.
whom you're also dating.
Yes.
So Rukmani, how is it? I mean, how
No,
would you
so-
define love in general?
Oh, how do I define
Yeah.
love in general? I don't know how I define love in general, but my mother defines my kind of love as she feels that I have liquid love running through my veins. She thinks because I'm like
Bangari
a
में
lover.
बोलिए. Bangari में बोलिए. Liquid blood
No,
running
for
through
me,
my veins.
for me, love is not falling in love. For me, love is being in love, loving the person like family. I think, you know, a lot of people look down upon our generation. Hey, they are so fast paced, this, that, all of those things. But I think I'm very old school in my ways. For me, love has to be, you know, it comes with a lot of responsibilities. Loving is easy, but loving with responsibility is
Wow.
very important, and that very few people know how to do that. And I believe in that kind of love. And yes, coming to Dev, I think he is the reason why I even ventured into films. He knows me since I was 15 years of age. Of course, being in the same industry and all of those things. And I never saw that I could be an actor, and he literally forced me into it. He's like, no, do it. You must. And there was this moment. The only reason why I said yes to acting is because he told me, I've been telling you since you were 15 years of age that I want you to do this film, but this time, now I need you to do this film.
Wow.
So when he said that, I was like, you don't need to say another word. And then he's like, this is what I wanted to show you, and here I am today. So no matter what happens in life, Dev is more like family to me, and it will always be him. We don't know where life takes us next.
Yeah.
For whom I will be grateful that he saw in me what I never saw in myself.
Towel दो, रोना आ रहा है मुझे थोड़ा टिश्यू दो, मैं cry too, like can I take a break? I'm crying. कि जो भी हो जाए कल मेरी लाश मिल जाए, याद रखना कि तुमने मेरी लाश को सुंदर बनाया. No, of course.
Very sweet thought.
Come on, girl.
But
I knew you would do that. This time.
ये सेम इमोशन है. सन की होना बहुत जरूरी है. सन की नहीं हो तो कुछ नहीं. Normal is boring. Be सन की.
on that note, normal is boring. Sanki hona zaruri
बहुत
hai.
जरूरी है.
और please watch Sanak on 15th October only on
Disney
Hotstar.
plus Hotstar. Chalo, what are we saying?
We are saying let's watch Sanak on Disney plus Hotstar, and we love Bollywood Bubble.
On 15th of October.